Yeah, what day are we on?
Day 14. We had,
Big Starbucks.
we were at the Country Inn last night, which was a
Mhm.
very pleasant experience. And now we are here at, I don't remember what it's called, the Asheville Farmers Market. It's a year-round, pretty much every day a week market. They have an indoor building with a lot of produce and some other handmade goods, I think. And then behind Corey, there's like a lower level where they sell stuff in bulk if you want a can. And a flower garden where you can get like locally, what's it called, native plants. But we're gonna check it out, see what goodies we can find, and then we're gonna hit the road again. What a luxury shopping experience.
Where are we?
Where are we? We're in Asheville still. Going
North
to the
Carolina?
Emporium.
It's dangerous in here. Very dangerous. Spending money.
Back on the road again.
Still raining. Or maybe we didn't even tell you guys. It's raining. But it's been raining for a while now.
So all day kind of rain.
We stopped in a Charge, went to take a pee, ended up buying a burger and fry, a combo, split it between the two of us. Yeah,
And
it was
this
good.
is what's left of it.
Danielle's just munching away.
Next stop is
Another final top up before we get to Cousin Craig
woohoo.
and Catherine.
That's right.
What else?
Did you take any videos while we were walking in the downtown?
A little.
Asheville seems like a nice little city.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we're about 2 hours out. Miles are counting down.
That's right. That shows you how fast I guess. Be kind of fun to ride on it. They're kind of fun to pick because you don't have to kneel down.
Stay up that walk.
Sure.
Stay up that walk. Stay up that walk. They walk.